Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these somewhat naughty but very delicious chocolate peanut butter Oreo brownies. Now for this recipe I'm trialing out this vegan egg replacer, but you can also use flaxseed meal. For one egg the ratio is 1 tablespoon of the replacer to 3 tablespoons of water. So for this recipe we're mixing up enough for 2 eggs. Simply give it a good mix together to combine. Next, into a bowl we're going to add in the dark chocolate and the peanut butter, popping them into the microwave for 20-second increments until melted. To that we're going to add in the coconut oil, the maple syrup, and the vanilla. And give that a good mix together until all the ingredients are well combined and the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Into a separate bowl we're going to add in the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, a pinch of salt, and the cocoa powder. Then give it a quick whisk to combine. To that we're then going to add in our peanut butter chocolate mixture and our egg replacer, then gently mix together to combine. To that we're then going to add in half a cup of milk. I like to add about 1/4 cup at a time. I tend to use a whisk in the beginning and then switch over to a spatula or a spoon. Next we're going to break up a few Oreos and set them to one side. Next we're going to pour our mixture into a pre-lined baking tin. Smoothing it out until it evenly covers the bottom of the pan. We're then going to drizzle some peanut butter over the top. If your peanut butter isn't runny enough, just simply pop it in the microwave for a few seconds. Swirl the peanut butter around with a knife. Then top it off with our Oreo pieces. Gently pressing them down into the mixture. Then into the oven for about 15 minutes. When the skewer comes out clean, then you know they're done. I always let them cool in the tin completely before slicing them up. Oh yeah, they're fudgy and moist and absolutely scrumptious. Peanut butter and chocolate is always such a great combination. Throw in some Oreos and you got yourself a winner. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!